Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can block someone in Bluesky social app. Okay, so maybe you don't like someone or you want to block someone, then you can easily do this. So randomly I'm choosing a account. So it's your account. The account, you have to choose the account, which account you are going to block. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one randomly. Then here you will get the option three dot, this one. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, then you will see some option here like add to list, mute account, block account and reboot account. So simply click block account. Once you click block account, then click confirm. Then wait a second. Then this account block, you will not able to see anything if you block someone or block account, or also want to see your content. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.